Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a joy to connect with you across time and space in this intimate way. So happy you would join me today. If you're feeling stressed about anything at all, feeling some insecurities, anger, bitterness, resentfulness, shame, guilt, sadness, depression, worries, perhaps even peace. Whatsoever you're feeling, it's a-okay. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can make the pain turn into more love and trust, transforming the fear. You know, the same energy that goes into fear is the same energy that can go into love. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture where you can be upright, aware of how you're sat. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world. Tuning deeper into this present moment, letting go of the past, putting the future to the side, dropping your shoulders away from the ears, relaxing your belly, relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. And I promise you that you're safe to close the eyes, looking in. Taking a deep breath. Exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of the past. Releasing any self-deprecating thoughts. Coming back into self-love, coming back into compassion for the immense suffering that is being human. Having compassion for your pain, having compassion for other people's pain. Breathing in trust. Exhaling, letting go. Breathing in peace. And exhaling, letting go of anger. Feeling anger leave the mind, leave the body. As you breathe in grounded energy. Exhale, letting go of worries, anxieties, fear. Feeling anxiety leave the mind, leave the body. As you come back into trust in the unfolding of life. Following my lead, aware of your posture, breathing in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, breathing in love. Exhale, feeling balance. Opening your chest, relaxing your hands and feet. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhale. Becoming aware. Dropping the shoulders. Allowing your eyes to be closed, letting go of tension in the face, in the head, top of the head, back of the head. Feeling your back relax, feeling the belly relax as you push the belly outwards. Back into the present moment as you breathe in and breathe out. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Following the sound of the bell all the way to the end. Returning home to your heart, returning home to your awareness with the sound of the bell. Very nice, my friend. Way to stay with it. Letting go of thoughts now, coming back into your body, becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. The color for today is blue. The number is 50. And the animal is a humpback whale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. Wishing you a beautiful day. Wishing you lots of laughs. Remember that laughter is often the best medicine. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, not just for yourself, but for all of the people that can stir you and make you feel anger or misunderstood or unseen, to be able to love those people without getting into this judgment or being so critical of how others are treating us, and just focus on how we are treating others. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.